So I would like to start this video by thanking everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I have reached 10,000 subscribers. I definitely was not expecting to even reach even half this amount or even a third. When I first started my YouTube channel, I just simply was excited to share everything that I've learned with the rest of the world, especially with those who have had similar struggles as me when it comes to skincare and hair care. So thank you guys so much again for 10,000 subscribers. This video is going to be short and simple. I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview on some of my upcoming content, including a product review. I also plan on doing a fun with henna day video where I try dyeing my hair using this Red Raj henna powder, as well as doing some henna art on my hands. I also plan on doing a 10 facts about me video. I also plan on doing a what I eat in a day video for those who are interested in the type of foods that I eat to keep my skin clear. And don't worry, I still plan on doing more dermarolling videos, including stamping to plump the lips, scar updates, some fine lines and wrinkles, and hair growth. Whoopsie, forgot to mention that Jin Amber has hooked me up with a discount code that you guys can use on her website, jinamberbeauty.com, to get 20% off her entire website using this discount code here, Jazz20, to get 20% off her entire website, which includes dermarollers, face masks, face serums, everything she has. Just make sure to type the discount code when you check out. So yeah, I know I've not been around. I've been really busy with work, but I'm really excited to finally have some time to create some content for you guys. So do look forward to them. Again, thank you guys so much for subscribing and all the views and wonderful comments. And with that, I will see you in my next video. See ya.